What's up, guys? Welcome back to the I'm Bored YouTube channel. Today we're getting the Jetta put back together. It's been a long road, and it all originally started out because the AC evaporator core went out. So I pulled the dash apart, right? And then the ADHD kicked in and noticed that the carpets were super dirty, and yeah, so I ripped all the interior out basically and deep cleaned everything, like shampooed the carpets, pressure washed them out, redid the headliner because it was all sagging. Decided to go black with it. Yeah, got like a two-tone thing going on right now. Anyways, so today we got it all back together pretty much, but when I turned it on, blower motor was not having it. It just did not like life. So today we're gonna hopefully get a new blower motor put in here, and hopefully we'll have AC back. I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna take y'all through and show y'all. I mean, obviously I kind of already have it taken apart, but basically to get to this, all you got to do is take out the glove box, which is a couple of screws down at the bottom. I think one or two screws, yeah, on the side, and you got to take off this little side trim piece. It just pops out. But yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all kind of how to get to this. You got to take this little piece off the bottom here, and then there's two screws up under here. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah, right up in there, that screw, and then right over there, that screw. Those two screws come out, and this little plug unplugs. So we're going to be doing the blower motor and the blower motor resistor today. So let's get right to it. So here's the two screws right here. I think they're like a 5.5 millimeter or some crazy number like that. But if you just get a 1/4 inch chuck for your impact or whatever, it'll take them right out. They're not in there very tight. Once you get that out, let's see if I can get some light in here. Once you get that out, you'll be able to just wiggle this whole thing out and down. We're also going to be replacing this. This is the blower motor resistor. It's a common failure on these. So you can remove your wiring harness right here and right here. Pull that down and then kind of work it up like that. And there you have it. There's your blower motor. Okay guys, so I got the new blower motor here. This is just an Amazon special. Hopped on there, it was like 30 bucks or whatever. Although I do have to say I'm fairly impressed. It seems to be built better than the OEM Volkswagen one. Just looking at it, the plastic seems to be more durable. Just seems like a better part, honestly. For 30 bucks, can't beat it. And then here's the blower motor resistor right here. So let's get to throwing this in here. Installation is pretty much the exact opposite as taking it out, as with most things. I'll give you a little side-by-side comparison. That's the new one, that's the old one. The old one just seems kind of flimsy. The new one, pretty stiff. Here's the squirrel cage. As you can tell, this one has a lot more reinforcement inside of it than this one does. I don't know. We'll see once we put it in. This one might be loud as a diesel truck going down the road or something. I don't know. We'll find out. Okay. bit tight going in. Good tight fit though. Okay, this is kind of hard to do with one hand. I'll get back with y'all when I have it in there. Okay guys, blower motor and the new resistor is back in. So what we're gonna do now is just hook up all these cables, get everything tucked back where it was supposed to be. And then we'll give her a test. Okay. Well, it's blowing air, doing what it's supposed to do. I do have to say it is a little bit louder than the factory one. So if y'all order the A Premium brand blower motor off of Amazon, just know it might be a little bit louder than your factory one, but it does what it's supposed to do. Can't complain for 30 bucks. Well, so we got all that in place now. Now it's time to get the rest of the interior put back in. The seats, the glove box, all the trim panels that are missing, everything. So, all right guys, so it's about midnight. It's been a late night out here getting everything put back together, but we got it done. It's probably dark. I don't know if y'all can see it very well, but let's check, see if our AC is working now. It's definitely blowing. And yep, it's blowing cold. We've got AC again. I call that a win in my book. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more content like this, let me know down in the comments below. Either way, stay tuned in and we'll see you on the next one.